Warning. This is not a test. Today at 11:18 p.m. a man was seen stealing a Subway sandwich in New York City. The SWAT team was called out to track him down, but they never found him. As the man seems to be a threat to public safety, the United States military has called out a nuclear bomb to New York City. If anyone has any contact or information on where the man is or his last whereabouts, you can call this number, 866-507-2341. Warning. This is not a test. The United States military has decided to drop the nuclear bomb as no one has seen the witness yet. As you will have 5 minutes to take shelter, God have mercy on us all. Warning. This is not a test. The United States military has reported that the nuclear explosion has failed to kill a man, as we can see that the man is walking in the debris unharmed. As the threat level has risen from city to country level, the man is wanted for $1 billion. If you see him, report your local police department immediately. Warning. This is not a test. As all the governments of the world have came together, they have decided that they should send a nuke to space and explode the moon. This will cause a life extinction level threat to the public. But do not worry, because SpaceX, NASA and other organizations have came together and are going to send people to Mars and space bases. Although it seems like a great idea, the cost of the tickets will be around $10 million. If you want more information, please call this number, 866-507-2341. God have mercy on us all.